Hey, let me show you how we can turn on the always on display on the Redmi Watch 4. So all you have to do is just open the settings. For example, we can do this by clicking on this icon, second time to open the menu, and we have to find this settings icon. It's actually at the bottom of the list. So open it. Now you will have to actually go into the display. From here, go into the always on display, and you've got two options. The first one, smart, and the scheduled. So the scheduled, we can set the start and the end time, and when we go into the smart, it will actually work when the screen turns off. And the always display is only working when you are wearing your watch. So now it's actually on the screen. As you can see, that's how it looks. That's actually the brightness of the always on display. It's actually good visible, so you don't have to worry about this, that you will be not able to find your time. It's actually working fine. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.